Hello everyone. Today's class we are going to learn about factors and multiples. See, our fifth chapter is factors and multiples. So let us learn what do you mean by multiples first. A number that may be divided by another a certain number of times without a reminder. See here, that means so multiples means here nothing but like tables. Okay, so it should divide exactly and without a reminder. So that means reminder you have to get always 0. See here, for example, 15. 15 is a multiple of 1, 3, 5 and 15. So that means how it will be 1, 3, 5 and 15 it is a. See 1 15s are 15 and 3 5s are 15. 5 3s are 15. Then 15 ones are 15. So like this is the multiples. And here you can see like 1 to 10. So you have here multiples. So that means just here it is a tables. Okay, 1, 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Next for 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. For 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. For 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Then for 6, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. For 7, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. 8, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. For 9, 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. Then for 10 multiples, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So like this, these are the multiples of 1 to 10. Now you see properties of multiples. So what are the properties of multiples? So here we have like 4 to 5 properties. What is that? Let us see. Every number is a multiple of itself. So every number, it is a multiple of whatever the number. If you take like suppose 5. So 5 is a multiple of itself. And if you take 3, 3 is a multiple of itself. 3 into 3. 5 in 5, 5 is a multiple of itself. 5 ones are 5. 3 ones are 3. 10 ones are 10, like that. Next, every number is a multiple of 1. And whatever the number, if you take, it is a multiple of 1. See example, 2 into 1 equals to 2. So 2 is a multiple of 2 and 1. 3 into 1, 3. 3 is a multiple of 3 and 1. 15 into 1, 15. So 15 is a multiple of 15 and 1. So next, a multiple of a number is always greater than or equal to the number itself. See here what it is. A number, a multiple is a number is always greater than or equal to the number itself. See, multiples of 12. So what are the multiples? That means in 12 number, in which are the tables we get, that you have to write. See, 1 12s are 12, 2 6s are 12, 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12, 6 2s are 12, 12 1s are 12. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 are greater than 12 and 12 is equal to 12. So that is this here. So whether it will be greater than that number or it will be equal to that number. Next, a number has uncountable number of multiples. So there is normally like in tables you will learn from, suppose if you take 2 ones are from 2 to 2, 10 you will learn. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. So like this normally up to 10 only you will learn. Okay. So but there is no up to 10 only. So there is no limit for that. So it is uncountable. So any number you can multiply with any number. So a number has uncountable number of multiples. Next, there is no larger multiple of a number. So there is no larger multiple per number. So to find its multiple, we can multiply 7 by higher and higher numbers to get more and more multiples. So thus we can get uncountable number of multiples. See like this, so 7 with higher number like 1 million or 1 billion, any number you can multiply. So until what the number you multiply, so you get uncountable number of multiples. So these are the properties of multiples. Next is odd and even numbers. So already in previous classes, you have learned what do you mean by even numbers and odd numbers. Just recall it. Even number, the number that is a multiple of 2. So that means the numbers which starts from 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. So like this, these are the numbers we say even numbers. Odd numbers means the numbers that are not multiples of 2, or that numbers expect multiples of 2, except multiples of 2. So that like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. So these are the odd numbers. Okay. So simply you can say even numbers means the numbers which you have in the ones place, like 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. These are even numbers. And the numbers which you have in units place, like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So these are called odd numbers. Now let us see the numbers, even and odd numbers from 1 to 100. See here, odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, 31, 33, 35, 37, 39, 41, 43, 45, 47, 49, 51, 53, 55, 57, 59, 61, 63, 65, 67, 69, 71, 73, 75, 77, 79, 81, 83, 85, 87, 89, 91, 93, 95, 97, 99, 101. So these all are the odd numbers. Same way if you take even numbers, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, 100, 102. So these are the even numbers. So like this, you can write up to any number, odd and even numbers. Next, see. So now we have exercise 5.1. Write the next 5 multiples. 4. So for 4, you have to write the next 5 multiples. So what are the next 5 multiples? So you know 4 ones are 8, 12, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 six are 24. So these are the 5 multiples. Next 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42. Next 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Next 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48. So these are the multiples. Multiples means just you have to write the next tables. How many they has, that many you have to write. So that's it. These are the 5 multiples. Next, let us see what it is. Say whether true or false. Every number is a multiple of itself. We have learned in properties of multiples. Yes, true. Every number is not a multiple of 1. We have learned every number is a multiple of 1. But here, if not a multiple they have given. So it is false. Next, 20 is a multiple of 1. Yes, in every number is a multiple of 1. True. A multiple of a number cannot be equal to the number. It is false. So just now we have learned. So it should be greater than the number, or it will be equal to the number. So it is false. A multiple of a number can be greater than the number. Yes, true. Next is fill in the blanks. 3 into 4 equals to 12. So 12 is a multiple of 3 and 4. 7 into 3 equals to 21. 21 is a multiple of, so these two numbers, 7 and 3. Next, 4 into dash equals to 20. So with what number if you multiply in 4 ones, so you will get 20. We know that 4 fives are 20. So 20 is a multiple of 4 and 5. Next, 7 into 9. So we know that 7 nines are 63. So 6 is a multiple of 7 and 9. Next, dash into 8 equals to 72. So 9 8s are 72. So 72 is a multiple of 9 and 8. Next, 8 into dash equals to 64. 8 8s are 64. So 64 is a multiple of 8. Next is D main. Write the next 3 multiples. So same, 6, 12, 18. So 6 ones are 24, 30, 36. Next, 5, 10, 15, 20. 25, 30, 35. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. Next, fill in the missing multiples. 7, 14, dash 28. So in between what you will get? 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, then 7 5s are 35. Next here, 16, 24, 32, here is 8. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48. Same way here also, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. Next, check if the first number is a multiple of the second number. So 63, whether it is a multiple of 7 or what? Yes, 7 8s are 63. So it is a multiple of the second number. Next, 54, 9. So 9 is a multiple of 54. So how it is? 9 6 are 54. So this is also multiple. Next, 53, 10. 10 5s are 50. So this is a first number. First number is not a multiple of second number. Next, 24 6. Yes, 6 4s are 24. So first number is a multiple of second number. 21 4. So this is not multiple. 15 5. 5 3s are 15. So it is a multiple. Next, ring the even numbers which they have given. 8, 14, 7, 9, 10, 11, 1 they have given. Among these numbers, which are the even numbers, you have to circle it. So 8 is a even number, 14 is even number, and then 10 is a even number. Next, ring the odd numbers. 16, 8, 6, 15, 25, 54. So here odd numbers mean in the units place you should have like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 like that. So 5, 15, 25, these are the odd numbers. So I hope you understood exercise 5.1. Thank you. Remaining will continue in next class. Thank you.